Hola, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. If you're watching this video, it probably means that you are new to learning English, or maybe you've seen these words before, but you just want to know how to pronounce them correctly with American English. So let's get started. We're gonna go over 50 common phrases used in the English language, starting with greetings. So we have the first one, which is hello, hello, how are you, how are you? Or you could say, how's it going, or how's life, how's life? I'm good, or you could respond with, I'm okay, I'm not doing so great. I'm not doing so great. I'm tired. Which is why I usually drink a lot of coffee. No, I really just love coffee. And then we have some of the common greetings, which I'm sure you've heard. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, sweet dreams, bye, just kidding, don't leave yet, see you later, And then we have introduction, how to introduce yourself. What is your name? My name is, nice to meet you, How old are you? I'm 35 years old, Where are you from? I was born in, I live in, because those could be different. I was born in, and I live in. And then if you want to talk to somebody about your English journey, you can tell them, I am learning English. Do you speak, in whatever language you speak, do you speak Portuguese? I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak a little slower? What do you mean? What does, and then whatever word you have, mean. So you could say, what does, and repeat the word back. What does keychain mean? Could you spell that, please? And then we have common questions. What do you do for work? I am a teacher. How's the weather? It's cold outside. What do you like to do in your free time? What is your phone number? Do you have Instagram? And then asking for help. Excuse me. Could you help me, please? Where is the bathroom? Thank you so much. You're welcome. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. What time is it? What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. I gotta go. I gotta go. And going shopping. Here's some common phrases. How much does that cost? How much does that cost? What do you think? What do you think? Is this on sale? I don't think you can buy a passport. Is this on sale? I would like to buy this. I would like to buy this. Where can I find the shoes? So those are 50. I actually may have added in a few bonus ones, basic English phrases and expressions. I hope they helped you out. Be sure to watch this video as many times as you need, writing down all of the words, practicing your pronunciation, and then of course using them in your day-to-day English journey, talking to your friends, putting it into practice, because when you speak it out, it'll help you to remember it. So be sure to comment below your favorite phrase that you learned today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ciao, ciao.